Happy Easter weekend, everybody. It's time to imagine it here at the Imagination Station. I mention Easter because the chief scientist, Carl Nelson, has some flames and he has some egg-shaped objects around us here. What's happening?
Exactly. First, I want you to understand what we're working with. Put your safety glasses on. We've got some balloons filled with flammable hydrogen gas.
Okay.
So I want you to appreciate what happens when you bring a flame near one of those.
I do.
So take this stick here, and I'm gonna step back. You should step back a little bit too.
All
Just
right.
bring that candle to the side of the balloon.
Gently to the side.
Gently
here.
to the side. Yep.
All right.
Filled with hydrogen, flame.
And oh, the humanity.
Nice. So. Keep in mind that's what we're working with here, okay?
Yeah.
But we're not going to do it with balloons. We're going to do it with these little eggs.
Really?
So it's Easter time, okay?
Yeah.
And so what we do here at the Science Center is instead of decorating eggs, we explode eggs.
Of course.
All right? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to fill the egg with hydrogen gas. I've got a little gizmo on the end here. We're going to fill it with hydrogen. We're going to light the top. In fact, you're going to light the top. So I'm going to give you the lighter.
Good.
You'll light the top, and then we're just going to see what happens this first time.
Oh, good.
But you were right in touching the headgear there.
I'm just gonna
You're
put
going to
on
want
the
to put that
blast
on
shield.
because, like you said, exploding eggs. Okay.
All right.
So I want you to practice with the lighter. Make sure
Get the safety
all right.
on.
Perfect. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to open this up, let some hydrogen gas flow, and I want to fill the egg completely with that gas. So
What are we trying to prove here?
we're going to talk about this. This is really interesting combustion concept here. So
Okay.
I'm going to fill it with hydrogen and overfill it, make sure it's all pure hydrogen. That's important, okay? So what I need you to do, light your lighter. I'm going to keep my finger here till you get closer.
Okay.
And then I'm going to remove my finger and you light the top.
Okay.
Ready? Here we go. Light it. Okay, that's good. There's a flame there. That's good. Take it away. Yeah. See, the tiny little flame, and what's going to happen is it's going to explode.
You tricked me.
No. Okay, so let's do that again, but this time let's talk about what's actually happening here.
I'm looking at it like, oh, that's all it's going to do. No, it's one of those trick candles.
Okay, so once again,
I should have paid attention in class, is what
do
you're
this
saying.
again. Let's try it one more time.
All right.
Bring your flame over.
This time I'll bring my face away.
Okay. Hydrogen gas is burning out the top. Oxygen is flowing in through the bottom of the egg. And at some point, we get a flammable mixture of oxygen and hydrogen gas.
Terrific.
Okay? So initially, it's just pure hydrogen. So we just get that tiny little flame. But as the hydrogen gets used up, oxygen flows in from the bottom. Bring it closer. Light it.
So you need the oxygen in
The
order
oxygen
to
creates an explosive mixture inside the egg. So see the flame is dropping down,
Yeah.
oxygen is coming in, and I don't know if you noticed this. Most eggs don't normally have that like sparkle in them.
No.
I've actually filled these eggs with, and you kind of see that powder coming out sometimes.
Oh, yeah.
I filled it with a little bit of iron filing just to make it a little more visible,
I was thinking
a little
maybe.
bit more interesting here.
So you're doing firework eggs.
Yeah, that's a good way to describe it.
Sure.
So one more time, just for fun.
All right.
Let's see how many of these we can do.
Here
All
we
right,
go. All right, well,
That's good.
come on down to the
Take it away,
Imagination
take it away.
Station today and take a close look at this before we talk about it. Yeah.
Hydrogen's burning off, oxygen's coming in. Boom.
Man. That one got in the inner
nice.
ear. All right, but tomorrow it is Easter, so the Imagination Station will not be open tomorrow. Today,
Correct.
you're open, so come on down, bring the kids. If you live in Lucas County, the kids 12 and under get in free with a paid adult admission, and that's even on the day before Easter. But once again, closed Easter. This is just an example of pure hydrogen, pure science, pure Carl. That's how you imagine it.